Hi, I'm Mahdi Hassan. Today I'm talking about Nothing phone. This is the phone. This is Nothing phone 1, designed by Nothing Technology Limited in London, UK. Actually, if you want something different or unique, then this will be the perfect phone for you. Let's see the phone. The box is also unique. This is SIM eject tool, transparent design. This is Type C to Type C charging cable, and this is safety information and warranty information book. This is the phone. Wow, so nice. Really, this is excellent. Similar to the iPhone. The body is so slim. Aluminium frame around the edge. This is power button. This is microphone, and this is volume button, up and down. This is the speaker. They are using stereo speaker, which is really good. And this is Type C charging port. This is the SIM slot. You can use dual SIM. But there is no memory card slot and microphone jack port. The back side is so nice. There are some LED lights which is called grip. This grip icon for charging indicator, and the red button is for video recording indicator. This is the phone. So fast. They are using almost stock Android. There is 6.55 inch display with 120 Hz refresh rate. This is OLED display. And the grip icon is the best feature for this phone. You can see the feature. This is grip interface. Let's see, which is really nice. Wow. Super. They are using dual camera. The main camera is 50 megapixel and another one is 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. And the front camera is 16 megapixel. The battery is 4500 milliampere. You can charging up to 35 watt with wide charger and 15 watt for wireless charger and 5 watt for reverse wireless charger. This place for wireless charging system and also reverse wireless charging system. The feature is really awesome. The chipset is 778G plus, which is really good. There are three variants. One is 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, and another one is 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, and other one is 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. The phone is water and dust resistance, and front and back both are using Gorilla Glass 5, which is really awesome. That's why the phone is looking so nice. This is really excellent phone and different from others. Okay guys, thanks for watching.
Automated defense grid activated.